You're watching the Weiss channel. Today, we are going to change standard form to slope-intercept form. Okay. For example, this equation here is in the form of something x and something y equals something. So to change to y-intercept form, y-intercept of course is y equals mx plus b, right? Where the slope is m and the y-intercept is b, right? So all you do is you minus 4x from both sides. You can't combine 36 and 4x, so you just write negative 4x plus 36. Now you divide by negative 6, and whatever you do to one term, you do to every term. Divide negative 6, divide negative 6, divide negative 6. You have to simplify. Negative over a negative is a positive. 4 over 6 is 2/3. Y equals 2/3 x minus 6. Again, the slope is 2/3 and the y-intercept is negative 6. That's why that's called slope-intercept form, because it shows the slope and intercept. So up here, if you have an equation like this, but you want to know the slope and y-intercept, then you have to solve for y to get it into slope-intercept form. Look at this, tricky. This one has the y first and then the x. Oh man, so we have to take negative 8x. We're going to add 8x to both sides. Divide by 12. Y equals 2/3 x minus 7. Here the x term is first, minus 2x. 6y equals negative 2x plus 12. Divide 6. Y equals 1/3 x plus 2. 9x minus 3y equals 12 minus 9x. Negative 3y equals negative 9x plus 12. Divide by negative 3, y equals 3x minus 4. 8x plus 6y equals 18 minus 8x. Divide by 6. Y equals negative 4/3 x plus 3. Uh-oh, be careful, look at that. The y term is first, so we're going to add 6x to both sides first. Divide by 8. Y equals 3/4 x plus 7. Back to the x term being first, minus 12x from both sides. Divide by 9. Y equals 4/3 x plus 2. The x term is first, minus 15x from both sides. Divide negative 6. Y equals 5/2x minus 8. Once again, the slope is 5/2. The y-intercept is negative 8. Over here, slope is negative 4/3. Y-intercept is 2. Slope is 3/4. Y-intercept is 7. Slope is negative 4/3. Y-intercept is 3. Slope is 3, or 3/1. Y-intercept is negative 4. Slope is negative 1/3. Y-intercept is 2. Slope is 2/3. Y-intercept is negative 7. You've been watching the Weiss channel.